Slow truck, fast truck. Brainy and perceptive as a box of bolts, Ed stopped roadside where he saw Lila dragging a garbage can to the road. He revved his blue dually engine and, grinning kid proud as his thin arm reached up to rest on window's hot metal edge, he drawled, "Hey, Lila, like my new truck? I'll get me one of these every 4 years." "Sure," she coughed, squinting against sun glinting off silver diesel pipe, chugging oily puffs. "Wow," she smiled, staring past him at pale thistle rising and tie vine hugging the fence line like ragged Kleenex nestling against grave green mounds. "I outrun a smart alecky kid in a Mustang this morning." Sliding a slight crooked smirk, he blustered, "Baby, this horse can buck." Then he winked. "Want a ride?" She hadn't slept well the night before, missing Jesse, who'd only been gone how long? His whiskey-driven wheels caught soft shoulders off Highway 59, shearing post in a willow, stopping cab down against a bloody wild hog. She wanted to tell Ed to take his blue horse and ride it into the Trinity River. Instead, she said, "Guess I'd better get inside. Got beans on the stove and bread in the oven." She bristled, turned thistle pink, tightened the lid on the trash, and walked within, where she'd eat beans and bread alone.